Good evening guys, very good evening all of you. Am I audible to all of you? Very good evening. So today we are again going to take guys, very good evening all of you. Top 25 questions over here. Am I audible to all of you? Very okay, Shivam, yes, very good evening, very good evening. Okay, so guys, all of you quickly share the session, join so that we can start over here. All of you quickly share the session with your friends. Now today I have taken top 25 questions in which we are going to take DI practice as well. So DI practice along with that simplification, number series, quadratic. So like every day we are going to take top 25 questions which will give you good revision before your exam over here. Okay, so I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends and join over here. So make it a count of 50 guys. All of you quickly share the session, make it a count of 50. Yes, Ayush, very good evening. Shivam, very good evening. Shivam, very good evening. So all of you share the session once so that we can start over here. Yes, all of you quickly put it on all the groups guys so that even you will enjoy this quiz over here. Okay, you can evaluate your performance. Otherall they can write down from 1 to 25 numbers over here and you can evaluate your performance. Okay, you can tell me at the end how many questions you got right over here. Subodh, very good evening, very good evening. So I can see that many of everyday people have not joined. So can you tell them also to join guys quickly? Harshita, very good evening after long time. Very good evening guys. Okay. So I request all of you once share the session, make it a count of 50 so that we can start over here. One more important announcement guys. Tomorrow we have SBI PO free session. Okay. Demo class is there for your foundation batch at 11 AM. So foundation batch is going to be every day from 11 to 12. I want all of you to tell your friends also because it is a free session over here. So I want all of you to attend tomorrow's session in which I am going to take previous year paper discussion. Along with that, I'll also tell you trend of the exam, how your exam is progressing. Okay. So, okay. Ashu, yes. Very good evening. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, all of you quickly share the session. Yes, हमें quiz start करना है. I want all of you to quickly share the session once. So once we are getting the count of 50, we can definitely start over here. आप सब लोग एक बार share कर देंगे तो definitely guys we can make it to that. Yes. Perfect. So first we are going to take the questions based on simplification. Afterwards we will take quadratic equation. Today we are going to discuss DI based question over here. So guys, I am waiting only for that कि आप लोग एक बार share कर दो session. Deepen, okay, very good evening. So many Marathi people are here. That is what I can see. Okay, perfect guys. Once all of you quickly share the session. So guys, your exam is also near. I hope all of you are doing mock test over here. If you are facing any issue, do approach me. Okay, my Telegram channel you already are aware. Quant Made Easy by Priyanka ma'am. If you have any query, do not hesitate to approach me. Okay, so I'll help you out with your preparation and you know what all things you can improve over here. Okay, so guys, let us start with the first question over here. First question based on simplification in front of you. Let me see who is the first topper over here. Now let me tell you one more important point. I have taken today's questions are from 2018 question paper. Okay, RBI assistant 2018 question paper. I have taken maximum questions so that before your exam you will get good revision over here. Okay, so I want all of you to solve it in that point of view. Yes, can you try this question which is in front of you? Let me see who is the first topper now. First question from your 2018 exam. Let me see who is the first topper over here. Yes, how will you go about this? A or B? Bhanu is saying A option over here. Bhanu is saying A option. Subodh is saying B option. Let us see how we are going to go about this. What about others? What about others? 1853. 1853. I got the first answer by Ashu here. He is saying B option. Subodh also said B option over here. Really good performance, guys. I think it is B option over here. I don't know the answer. Let us check out. Okay, let us check out. So last year paper itself, now you cannot use the unit digit method because all the digits are different over here. I hope everybody is getting it. Okay, now what can you do over here? You can use digit sum method in this particular question. Okay, digit sum method will be applicable or not applicable. You can see this option is 1953, this is 1935. That means digit sum is going to be same over here. So even digit sum will not help you out. Are you guys getting my point? When you are applying those tricks, you should be very much clear which all things you can use. Your examiners are also very, they are also aware about your tricks over here. So this value is nothing but 961. This is nothing but 441 over here. You can quickly calculate this fraction. This is nothing but 18. This is 22 by which fraction is this? It is nothing but 1 by 15 over here. You are aware this is nothing but 15 cube in this case. 1 by 15 means this is 15 square over here. Are you guys getting my point? Okay, 15 square means this is 225 over here. Easily you can solve this part over here. If you are adding the value, you are going to get this value as 26 plus 9. That is nothing but 35, 33, 581 minus 441 minus 961 over here. Are you getting it? If you are checking the unit digit is going to be 3 over here. Okay, for example, you can check out the value over here. This value is 225. If you are adding 5 plus 1, 6, 7. If you are subtracting, unit digit would be 3 over here. Everybody is getting this point? Now let us check the second digit over here. So if you are checking the second digit, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 over here. When you are subtracting it from this, you are going to get 5 as the value over here. Everybody is clear with this part? Yes, Ayush, you are perfectly correct over here. And then you can check the third digit subtraction. What I am doing? I am going digit by digit over here. Are you guys getting my point? Now you can subtract the last digit. This is 35 minus 4 minus 9 over here. So this will become 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15. When you are subtracting this, 1 was carry forward. So it will become 1953 is the perfect answer over here. Are you guys getting my point? So here you have to apply this sum and difference method which I had already explained you in the class. Everybody is getting this one? D option is not correct. Varalakshmi, please check out your answer. A option is the perfect one. Are you all following or should I explain you again? Okay, what you have to do is, this is 3580. All of you please pay attention. 441, 961 and this is 225. You can go digit by digit over here. Just add these 3 digits. This is 7. When you are subtracting this, this will become 3 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Now take the next digit. You have borrowed 1 from here. So this value will be 7. Okay, just check out the next sum. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12 over here. So 1 will be carry forward in the next digit. You can subtract this 7 minus 2. You are going to get 5 as the digit over here. Are you getting it? Now check the next digit. This is 35. 1 was carry forward, 9 plus 4, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 35 minus 16. You are going to get your value as 1953 which is nothing but the first option over here. Are you getting? So this technique you can apply on your direct screen in the online exam. I had taught you this already in the class. Okay, can you try the next question which is there on your screen? And 2018 question paper question I have taken over here. Let me see who is the first topper this time. Can you try the next question which is there on your screen? So guys, all of you please, I request you, all of you please share the session once. Radha, Subodh, Varalakshmi, Bhanu. So guys, jaldi se ek baar share kar dijiye so that ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग बिफोर एग्जाम इसकी रिविजन कर पाएंगे. यस, just request from my side, all of you quickly share the session with your friends. Gokul, Harshita, Bhanu already getting the answer. Wonderful performance. Kavya is also getting it. Ayush also got it. So Ayush is the first topper over here. He's saying 28 as the answer. Really wonderful performance, guys. Subodh, Pooja, Agastya, Varalakshmi, very good, guys. 28 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? Just add both of the value. You have to follow the board mass rule over here. This is nothing but 9240. This is 330. You have to divide by this value. This will get cancelled over here. Directly you can see 33 twos and 33 eights are. So single cancellation method, 28 would be the answer over here. You could have done this by unit digit method as well. 8 plus 6 will be 14. This is 3 over here. 3 eights are. So only this digit would be possible. Everybody is getting this one. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Your timer has already started. Third question in front of you. Let me see who is the first topper now. Yes, so I have taken all the question from 2018 paper so that you will get to know about exam level as well, and you can evaluate your own performance over here, that what all things you have to prepare more. Okay, yes, let me see who is the first topper now. Can you try this one? Yes, 8 option. Wonderful performance by Ayush here. Very quickly he is giving answer. Subodh also. Bhanu, very good. I think 8 is the answer over here. Can you check out? Again, you can use unit digit method over here, guys. Are you getting it? You can try unit digit method in this. Soumik, Kusum, wonderful performance. E option is the perfect one. You must be aware 17 5s are 85 plus 15. This is 100. 1 by 17 would be the fraction over here. Try to divide 4913. You need not even calculate the complete division. You can try the unit digit method over here. This will become 7 9s. Are you getting it? This is 7 9s. Ye 5 banega. You are getting 9 minus 5. That is nothing but 4 would be the end digit. Which square will be 4? Either it will be 2 or 8. Only 8 is present over here. Only 8 is present over here. Everybody is following this one. Really wonderful trick. Unit digit trick. You can see that it is directly applicable in this question over here. Everybody is getting this one. Yes, yes, it is 17 cube value. You have to recall cube value from 1 to 20. If you are aware, 4913 is 17 cube over here. Everybody is getting. Deepen, you are correct. Ashu, Harshita, very good performance, guys. Next question in front of you. Let me see who is the first topper in this case. Again, you can check unit digits. All of them are different. So, you can try the method of unit digit over here. Let me see who will give the quick and correct answer over here. Yes, can you give me the answer over here? So, Ayush was performing. He performed well in first 2 questions. 20. Bhanu gave the first answer this time. Bhanu and Soumik. Kusum also is saying 20 as the answer. Wonderful performance, guys. Very good. Okay, 20 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? You can see that 5 plus 5 will be 10. So, after decimal, you are getting 0. Okay, what about this? This is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus previous 1. So, unit digit is going to be 1 over here. When you are dividing this by 1, definitely end digit is going to be 0 over here. So, 20 would be your answer. Subodh, Pooja, Gokul, Dipen, Agastya, Kavya, Radha. Very good performance, guys. Wonderful performance by all of you. I hope you are able to apply the unit digit trick over here. Easy tha, 2018 question paper as it is. You can see you are able to do that. I just want to raise your confidence also. So, you should gain that confidence that yes, definitely I can do it in exam as well. Okay, can you try this question over here? Next question in front of you. Now, here you cannot apply the unit digit because you can see here it is 0, 0. Here also it is 5, 5. So, it is better not to apply that trick over here. Can you try digital sum? Or you can do it directly also. I don't think directly also it is much difficult. Can you give it a try? Here it is more about the calculation based on, direct calculation over here. Try to take few things common and apply board mass rule properly over here. I got the first answer by Ayush again. Bhanu, Ashu, Harshita, 60. Very good performance, guys. 60 is the perfect answer. Everybody is getting this one? Yes, Soumik is also getting. Harshita, Dipen, 60. Very good performance by all of you. Wonderful, guys. How will you go about this? Kavya, Agastya, Varalakshmi, very good. How will you go about this? Now first of all, you have to do the division over here. You can add this part. This is nothing but 400. When you are dividing by this value, definitely you can take 17, 15 outside. So this will become 17 minus 1, 16 over here. Are you guys getting it? You can multiply it by this value. This is nothing but 24 over here. Now I think it is directly divisible. You can cancel this value. 15 2s are this 2 will get cancelled. You are simply getting 400 minus this value over here. So what is the value in this case? It is 340, I guess. Okay, so you are getting your value as 60 in this case. Very good performance. You can see if you are taking out few things common, it is not at all difficult over here. Are you guys getting this one? Yes, really simple question based on the basic over here. Okay, so just add all the values. I think it is 300, right? 300 minus 240. Just check out 300 minus 240. 60 would be the perfect answer over here. Most important part was taking 15 common here. That is what I wanted to tell you. Are you getting it? And though you are applying the board mass rule, you can keep it as it is in the division so that that part will get cancelled over here. Next question in front of you based on cube root and square root. Let me see who will give the perfect answer over here. Question based on cube root as well as square root over here. Yes. So same concept which we did in class were asked in your exam. You can see it here. And definitely this will give you more confidence that you can definitely do it in exam. This was last year part itself. Okay, yes, Ramu, C option. I got the first answer already. What about others? Ayush is getting the first answer again. Kusum, 9. Oh my god. Somik B. I am getting multiple answers over here. 2, 4, 9. Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer over here? This is nothing but 5 by 4. Okay, this is nothing but 5 by 4 multiplied by 92 over here. You can calculate the value. This is nothing but 4 2s are 3s are. You are getting n digit as 5. You are aware that this cube root is written. That means it has to be 6 over here. Are you getting it? So you are basically getting minus 1 when this is ending with this value. Can you tell me which square root is this? Either it will be 1 or 9. The 10 value lies below this. So definitely it has to be 101 over here. Are you guys getting it? 101. And this minus value is there. So 2 will be the perfect answer over here. Very good guys. 2 will be the perfect answer. Are you guys getting it? I am doing it by unit digit trick over here. Are you guys getting this one? So basically when you are calculating this value, unit digit will be 5. 5 minus 6 you are getting minus 1. When this minus 1 will go on the other side, this 1 and this 1 will be added. You are going to get unit digit as 2 as the value over here. Pooja, Ashu, very good. So I hope everybody is able to calculate the square root and cube root value properly. Okay, we have done this in your foundation batch already. Those who have attended the RBI assistant batch over here. Very good performance guys. Next question based on the fraction from your exam itself. Let me see who will give the first answer in this question over here. You can apply all the techniques that we have done in the class. Yes, can you try this one? Very simple question if you are aware about those tricks. Otherwise, you will struggle a lot. Let me see who is the first topper this time. Question based on the fraction. Let me see who is the first topper now. Can you give it a quick try guys? Yes. Ashu, Subodh 3. Very good. Subodh 3. Very good. I got the first answer by Ashu and Subodh here. They are saying 3 as the answer. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer here? Ayush, Soumik, Subodh. Very good guys. 3 is the perfect answer. Agastya, Harshita, they are also getting the answer here. Wonderful performance by all of you. 3 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? Varalakshmi, Shivam, Subodh, I can see all of your. Sparsh is also getting it. Wonderful. Very good. D option is the perfect one. How will you go about this? Just check out the integer part now. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 6, you are getting the value as 22 over here. Are you guys getting it? So 22 minus 19, that is nothing but 22 minus 19, you are going to get 3 as the integer value. Now all of you please pay attention, this is in multiplication, so do not take 5 over here. You have to calculate complete integer from this. Now for remaining part, you can see that LCM value is going to be 8 over here. So this will become 2 4s, so you can write down 4. 4 2s, this will become 6, 4 2s, 3 2s, 6 and 8 as it is. You can add all the value and calculate your answer. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 7, you are getting 23 by 8 over here. Are you guys following this one? Now you can convert this into complete fraction. This is 23 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. You are getting the same fraction here, 23 by 8. This and this will get cancelled. Only 3 would be remaining here. Are you guys getting my point? Question was simple, though it looked quite critical over here. So value of the fraction is directly getting cancelled over here. Radha, Subodh, Kavya, wonderful performance guys, very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question based on cube root and square root over here. Let me see who is the first topper this time. Yes, can you try it? Next question in front of you. Okay, Sparsh, it has increased your speed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. So definitely guys, I want all of you to share this session with your friends also, because it is last week and many might not be aware about this. So I just want all of you to quickly share the session guys. So definitely if it is count of 50, you will also enjoy the session. Subodh got the first answer here. He is saying 10. Bhanu, Subodh, Sparsh, very good. Varalakshmi, Divya, Soumik. They are saying E option over here. Soumik 10, Kavya, Subodh, Gokul. Very good guys, very good. Everybody is getting the answer over here. 10 is the perfect answer in this case. Everyone is getting this one. All the values are already known to us how we are going to calculate the value. You must be aware this is your 34 square. Which cube value is this? It is 12 cube. Are you getting it? It is already 178. What about this? It is 4 5s are 20. So this is 45 square. 45 plus 55, you are going to get 100 as the value over here. Are you guys getting my point? So definitely when you are calculating the value over here, what are you getting? Yes. Can any one of you tell me what is the value that you are getting in this? Yes, 10 or 12. Few of you are saying 10, few of you are saying 12 over here. Let us see what is the answer over here. All of you just check out the answer. So you are going to get 178 plus 22, which is 200. X square equal to 100. X value will be 10 over here. Wonderful performance by Dipen, Sparsh, Sherin, Subodh, Agastya, Nidhi. Very good performance guys. Very good. 10 is the perfect answer. Okay, you said it is 12 square. No, it is 10 square over here. Are you getting it? Okay, let us calculate the next question over here. Next question in front of you. Let me see who applies the trick over here and tell me the answer. You can quickly observe here all the unit digits are different. So definitely unit digit trick will help you out. Can you try that trick over here? Question based on the unit digit over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes guys, how will you do this? So definitely you have to, yes, 16 or 15. I got the first answer by Subodh. He is saying 16. Soumik is saying 15. Kavya 15. Okay, can you calculate which is going to be the unit digit? That will give you direct answer over here, because all the options are having different unit digits. Gokul, Ayush, Harshita, very good guys. Agastya, Radha, Pooja, Kamli. You are getting the perfect answer here. A option is the perfect one. How will you do this? 6 ones are 6. You are getting minus 1 over here. You want to calculate this square. All these values are 0. 5 is the end digit. Only it is possible when 15 is the number over here. Really simple question. Even 5 seconds are not needed to give the answer. Are you guys getting this one? Very good performance by all of you. Nidhi, Subodh, Priya, Sherin, Divya. Very good performance guys. Wonderful. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Question based on cube root and square. Direct question from your exam over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer in this case. Can you give it a quick try, all of you? Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. So guys, as you can see it in your chat box, tomorrow my foundation batch, that is toppers batch, is going to start. I want all of you to check out the link in your chat box. So we are giving the offer, guys. If you are purchasing this course today, you are just going to pay 824 if you are using my name as the code. Okay, so I feel that you should not miss even one lecture in that foundation batch, and definitely, guys, it will help you out for your SBI PO as well as other banking exams as well. So do check out. I can see Ayush, Simar, Kaur, Saumik, Sherin, they are saying 932. Divya, Piyush is also, he has also joined 932. Very good, guys. 932 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? Again, you can try unit digit method over here. How will you do that? Now, cube root of this, that means you are going to get 4 as the digit. Okay, 17, that means this would be 9 over here. This is 3. When you are calculating this value, it will become plus 2 over here. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15. 15 minus 3, end digit is going to be 2. Only one option is possible, that is nothing but 932. Very good performance by Pooja, Subodh, Radha, Nidhi, Gokul. Very good performance, guys. Wonderful. Otherwise, you can try cube root technique also. Okay, you can apply cube root technique also. Put bar over here, put bar here. You are aware this is nothing but 14 cube already. 17 you already know, you can subtract the value, but rather than that, I think this unit digit will give you very quick answer in this case. Okay, now let us quickly move on to our next section over here. That is nothing but quadratic equation section. So let me see who all will give the quick answer for these questions now. Yes, can you try the next question based on the quadratic equation over here? पूजा, सुबोध, आशु. सो गाइज आप लोग सेशन शेयर नहीं कर रहे हो. यस, वी आर नॉट इवन 50. सो गाइज, कैन वी मेक इट अ ह्यूज सक्सेस? ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज शेयर द सेशन वंस. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज शेयर द सेशन वंस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड डेफिनेटली वी कैन डू दैट गाइज. 50 तो हम लोग बना ही सकते हैं. यस, कैन यू क्विकली शेयर वंस? सुबोध, काव्या, कुसुम ऑलरेडी गेटिंग द आंसर. वंडरफुल. A option. Saumik is saying C. Oh my god. So which is the correct option over here? Which would be the correct option? Dipen is saying B. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct one over here. Whose answer is correct one? A, B and C. I got the 3 answers over here. Let us check out whose answer is correct in this case. Okay, you can just see what will be the root. As you are getting negative sign, difference should be equal to 13 over here. Are you getting it? So this is nothing but 8 2s are. If you are checking the difference over here, can you tell me which would be the roots over here? Can any one of you tell me what root have you taken? Yes, so many of you had already calculated 16 comma 3 will be the root over here. Can you observe it directly? 16 comma 3 will be the root. This will go with a smaller root, so other will become negative over here. Everybody is getting, and you want sum to be 13 over here. How will you make a sum of 13? 7 2s are, this is 3. 3 2s are 6 comma 7 will be the root over here. Both will be positive. Now next important point, as your coefficient of x square and y square are same, directly you can compare these values on a number line. So this is minus 16 comma positive 3. This is your x value. What about y? Plus 6 comma 7. This is your y value. Directly you can say y is greater than x. A option is the perfect one. Dipen, can you check out your answer? Subodh, very good. Simar, Subodh, I can see Pooja, Sherin, Agastya, Ankit, all of them got the perfect answer over here. Really wonderful performance, guys. Everybody is getting this one. Anybody is there who is having doubt? Yes, yes. So correct answer will be equal to x is less than y over here. Okay, x value is this one, guys. Y value is this. So y is greater than x. This option is x is greater than y. It is ulta value. Too much confusion. Why aren't you reading it properly? Yes. Here we are saying x is less than y. Either you can read it according to less value or more value over here. Do not get confused, guys. I think it is clear, right? Dipen and Saumik. Is it clear? Okay, yes, yes. C वाला जो है वो opposite value है. You can either read less वाला sign or you can read greater वाला value. Everybody is getting this one? Okay, can you try this one? I gave answer C, ma'am. I was right. Okay, okay. Can you try this one? Can you try the next question which is in front of you? E option. I got the first answer by Kavya here. Ayush, E option. Okay, how will you do this? सौमिक यस, फर्स्ट आप ये क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए, फिर हम वो चेक करते हैं, ठीक है. वी विल चेक दैट क्वेश्चन अगेन. फाइन, कैन यू ट्राई दिस वन? E option, Bhanu, Divya, Subodh, they are saying E option over here. Few of you are saying C option. Let us see what would be the answer over here. So guys, previous question में कुछ doubt है. So Dipen and Soumik, please pay attention over here. Your x value is 3 comma minus 16. It is lesser value. Y value आपकी greater है. So you have to say y is greater than x. Can you read it? Y is greater than x here. So option A would be the perfect one over here. Please check out your answer. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Yes, so many of you are saying E option over here. Okay, can we check out the roots in this case? So if you are checking out the root over here, this is nothing but 12 threes are over here. Okay, and you can just split this further. This will become 6 twos are. Can you tell me what will be the roots over here? Yes, many of you had already calculated the root. What would be the roots in this case? Soumik, you are unnecessarily getting confused in the previous question. Still he has doubt over here. Okay, so please check out your answer, Soumik. I think you have some doubt. Okay, what will be the roots over here? You can see that this can be written as 9 into 4 over here. So what would be the roots in this case? 16, 9 will not be possible. C and D, few of you are saying C and D, trick will not be applicable. Okay. Okay, we will check it again. Okay, we will check it again. I can see that lot of you are getting unnecessarily confused here. Okay guys, if you are checking out the roots over here, this is positive 6 and 7. ये आपका minus 16,3 होगा. Please check out. Okay, I don't know what are you saying over here. Both of the options are quite different, guys. Okay, let us see final answer. You are already aware over here. Let us do this question now. Okay, here you can see that you can split this into component. 24,6 will be the root. The smaller root will be negative over here, and if you are checking the second root over here, you can observe that sum should be equal to 20. So you can split this into two part. 8 twos are value over here. So this will be 12,8 over here. Are you getting it? Minus 12, minus 8. Now I want all of you to pay attention over here. As coefficient are different, you have to take LCM of both of the value. Now what would be the LCM here? LCM is going to be 12 over here. So you have to multiply this by 3 and you have to multiply this by 2. So what will be your value? This will be 72 minus 18. This will be minus 24 minus 16 over here. So definitely you can check your value, minus 24 minus 16. This is your Y value. What about X? It is minus 18 72 over here. There is overlap. So your answer is going to be C and D over here. Perfect answer by many of you. Very good guys. Very good. Everybody is getting this one. Kusum, Soumik, Agastya, Pooja, Ashu, Radha. Very good guys. So your option is C and D in this case over here. You are perfectly correct in this case. Can you try the next question? Conceptual question in front of you. Let me see who will give me the quick and correct answer over here. Yes, can you try this one quickly and tell me the answer? 4913, which is nothing but your... Can you try this one? B option. I got the answer already. Agastya, Kusum, they are saying B option. Simar, Ayush, Divya, Gokul. Very good guys. Sherin, Subodh, B option is the perfect one. I am really happy that you got answer before time and that too correct answer. Wonderful performance by all of you. Very good. Subodh is getting it. Varalakshmi, wonderful performance guys. How will you go about this? We have already discussed this, that whenever you have even power over here, you are going to get positive as well as negative roots both over here. Especially when you have the even power. Now here you have odd value of power. You are aware this is nothing but 17 cube value. So you are going to get only positive 17 here. Here it is both of the values. So definitely your x is either lesser than or equal to y over here. Are you guys getting it? Shubham, Radha, PV Rao, Pooja, Priya, Agastya. Wonderful performance guys. Very good performance by all of you. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Let me see who will give me the quick roots in this. Yes, can you try the next question? Next quadratic equation in front of you. Previous one you got it right. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Can you try this one quickly now? So guys, again let me tell you, tomorrow 11 AM is the first demo class of your foundation batch guys. It is free for all of you. So I want all of you to check out tomorrow's 11 AM batch on Oliveboard app. Okay, it is freely available to all of you, especially those who are not there on our app. You can also join it. Okay, Divya, Ankit, Saumik, Agastya, D option. Very good. Very good. I can see that already the answer is out. D option. Subodh is saying D. Very good guys. Very good. What all are the roots over here? Can any one of you tell me what are the roots that they are getting in this case over here? You are perfectly correct over here. D option is the perfect one. Harshita, Subodh, Gokul, Ashu, Varalakshmi. Very good guys. So you can divide this by 4, especially those who do not know how to calculate the root. 4 4s are and 4 2s are. Now again you can split this further. This is nothing but 21 2s are over here. Are you getting it? You want sum of 26 over here. This is further divisible as 7 into 3 over here. Can you observe now? You are going to get your roots as 14, 12 over here. Are you getting it? 14, 12 will be the roots. Very good. And what about the second equation over here? You can see that 24, 5 will be the root over here. Similarly, you can split this as well. Are you getting it? Your smaller root is going to be negative. The bigger one will be positive over here. Now, as the coefficient are different, you have to multiply this by 2 and this by 1. So, keep it as it is. So, what will you get from this? This will be 28, 24. Easily, you can check your roots over here. So, x value is 24, 28. Y value is 24, minus 5. So, there is 1 point common. So, I can say that y is either less than or equal to x over here. Y is either less than or equal to x. So, D option is the perfect one. Very good performance by Subodh, Sharin, Simar, Agastya. Very good performance guys. Varalakshmi, Ashu, everybody is getting the answer over here. Next question, very wonderful question based on the linear equation over here. If you remember the class trick, you can directly also calculate this value over here. Let me see who will give me the quick answer. How will you calculate x value over here? As I told you, you have to multiply this and this over here. So what will you get? This is nothing but 24, negative sign outside, 24 minus 20 divided by 20 minus 18, which is nothing but 2. You are going to get your value as minus 2 over here. You are going to get your x value as minus 2. Once x value is known, this will be equal to 3y equal to 12. So, y value will be 4 over here. Very good guys. Very good. So, what all are the answer? Minus 2, 4 will be the root over here. Very good. Minus 2, 4. So, x is less than y would be the perfect answer over here. Can you see? Using the trick, you need not even make your coefficient same. Directly, you can calculate the value. Yes, everybody is getting this one. So Udit, for this you definitely have to attend the class. Actually, there is trick in which you can multiply first these cross value and then divide it by these cross value over here to calculate the x value in this case. Okay, so you can multiply this. This will be 4, 4 by 2, that is 2 over here. This negative sign you have to write as it is. This will make it minus 2 over here. Are you getting it? Once that minus 2 is known, you can substitute the value and calculate your y value as 4 over here. I hope everybody is getting this one. So this trick is very important, especially when you are solving the linear equation over here. Now let me see who will give me the quick and correct answer over here. Yes, next कल आपकी free class भी है foundation batch की 11 to 12. Definitely you can attend that batch over here. Yes, can you try the next question now? Next question, मैम हिंदी में भी बता करिए प्लीज. Okay. So विशाल, अगर आपको कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आ रही है, definitely you can ask me. Again I will explain that in Hindi as well. Can you try the next question over here? X is less than y. I got the first answer as x is less than y over here. How will you go about this? Yes, very good guys. Very good. Really wonderful question in front of you. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Subodh, Simar, Divya, all of them are saying A option. Very good performance by all of you. Dipen is also getting it. So you have to square on the other side. This will be equal to 64. What about this? A square minus b square, 100 minus x square would be the value. X square will be equal to 36. You know that when you have even power over here, you are going to get plus and minus 6 both values in this case. Are you getting it? You are going to get positive and negative 6 both over here. What about this? It is under root of 64, which is nothing but positive 8 over here. So you are going to get y value as positive 8. What about x over here? Plus 6 and minus 6. This is your x value. This is your y value. Y is greater than x would be the perfect answer here. Are you all getting it? Y is greater than x would be the perfect answer over here. We are done with the quadratic equation part. Very good performance. Kusum, Subodh, Sharin, Ashu, Nidhi, Harshita, Radha. Wonderful performance, guys. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Now, question based on the bar graph over here. DI based question based on the bar graph. I want all of you to first observe the graph over here. It shows total number of books. It is present in 1000 over here from 6 different companies. A, B, C, D, E, F, they are the company. They have shown you data corresponding to 2017 and 18 over here. Okay, let us solve the first question in front of you. Let me see who will give the quick and correct answer over here. Books sold by D and E in 2018. D and E in 2018, they are talking about this value over here, is what percent more or less than books sold by B and F in 2017. Let me see who will give me the first answer over here. Your timer has started, guys. Let me see who is the first topper in this DI now. Yes, can you try this question now? First question in front of you. I think the values are visible, right? Okay, none. Soumik is saying none over here. Simmer is saying D option. I am getting multiple answers. Soumik D, Dipen E, Subodh D, Agastya, Harshita E. Oh my god, I am getting multiple answers for the same question. Let us try it together. Okay, all of you please pay attention. Let us try it together now. Okay, so books sold by D and E together in 2018. So D and E, they are talking about 2018 value. If you are taking the value over here, this is 80 and this is 82 over here. So definitely this value is going to be 160. Is what percent more or less than B and F in 2017 over here? So B and F in 2017. What is the value? This is 90 plus 50, 140 over here. It is more by how much value? 20 by 140. That is nothing but 1 by 7. 14, 2 by 7 is the perfect answer here. Varalakshmi, Nidhi, Gokul, Agastya, Subodh, you are perfectly correct in this case. D option is the perfect one. Dipen, please check out your answer. What about others? Everyone else, please check out the answer over here. You are getting 1 by 7 fraction, which is nothing but 14, 2 by 7 over here. Can you try the next question now? Next question in front of you. Find the ratio of books sold by A and C together in 2017 and E and F together in 2018 over here. Let me see who will give me the first and correct answer. Question based on ratio. All the values are given. You have to read the graph properly. That's it. I got the first answer here by Varalakshmi. She is saying D option. Ayush is saying 20s to 23. I think A option is the perfect one. Ayush is the first topper. Soumik, Simmer, very good guys. 20s to 23 is the perfect answer here. Subodh, Gokul, wonderful. You are getting the perfect answer in this case. A is the correct answer over here. Who all are getting it? Harshita also got it. Yes. You still have time, guys. All of you can give it a try. Very good. Harshita, Ashu, Divya, Agastya, you are getting the perfect answer here. How will you calculate? Books sold by A and C in 2017 over here. So A and C in 2017, you can see this is 50, 70, 120 would be the value. Okay, and if you are checking the second value, E and F in 2018. E and F in 2018, one line above. This is 3 line above. So you can take the value. This is 80 plus 50, 130, 130 and 8 value over here. Are you guys getting it? That is nothing but 138 would be the value over here. Everybody is getting this one? Yes, so 138 would be the value. Now you can divide this. So yes, it is nothing but 20 is to 23. Both of the values are divisible by 6 over here. 6 2s and 6 2s, 6 3s are 20 is to 23 is the perfect answer over here. Everybody is getting this one? Really wonderful performance by all of you. Nidhi, Sharin, Radha, Varalakshmi. Very good guys. The fourth question in front of you. Let me see who is the first topper now. Average number of books sold by A, B, D in 2017 are how much more or less than average books by C and E in 2018 over here. Let me see who will give the quick and correct answer. Can you try this question now quickly? Not getting. Okay, so Udit, can you tell me what is your doubt? This question you can give it a try. I will explain it after once you are done attending. Yes, can you try this one? Kusum is saying B option. Ayush B option. Harshita also B option. Bhanu, Gokul B option is the perfect one over here. B option is the perfect one. Udit, you can please pay attention over here. Average books sold by A, B, D in 2017. Okay, 2017 means blue value. A, B and D over here. Can you add this? So please pay attention. Here you can just take 70. 70 plus 50, this is 120. 120 plus you can take 60 over here, it is 180. Okay, 180 and you can check how many lines above are there. So here it is 1 line, here it is 2 lines. So total 3 lines, that is nothing but 186 would be the value. You have to calculate the average. So you have to divide this by 3. So this will become 3 6s and 3 2s over here. For C and E, they are talking about 2018 value over here. So please read it, that orange value. C and E over here. How much is the value? This is 70, this is 50, 120, 120 plus 6 lines. So 126 divided by 2 now, because there are 2 shops over here. Are you getting? If you are calculating the average, that is 63, you have to calculate the difference between both of the values. So what is asked, it is how much more or less than C and E over here. What would be the value, guys? Yes, I think this is 61, right? We have made some mistake. I think it is 61 and 63 over here. Okay, so do check out the value over here, guys. 14,000. Are you sure it is 14,000? Yes, are you sure it is 14,000? This value is 62. When you are taking this, it is 63. You have to calculate how much is the difference over here. I think we have made some mistake. Let us check out again. All of you please pay attention over here. A, B, D in 2017. Okay, let us add the value 2017 value A, B and D over here. What is the value? This is 70 plus 50. This is 120. 120 plus 60, 180. 180 plus 3 lines. So it will become 186. You have to calculate the average. So that is nothing but, yes, 152 in place of 126. Okay, so you can calculate this average over here. This value will be the correct value. I think this one is correct, right? So you are getting 62 as the average over here. Okay, what about, okay, you are saying each line is corresponding to 2. That is what I have done, guys. You can see here there is 1 line. Here there are 2 lines over here. Now let us talk about 2018 value corresponding to C and E. So here you can see this value is nothing but 70. This is nothing but 50. That is 120. 120 plus 3 lines. So 126 would be the value over here. Are you guys getting my point? Udit, 152 instead of 1. Okay, is it 152? Yes. Okay, you are perfectly correct. Okay, so I have made, okay, this is the mistake. Fine. So you can check this value over here. You are right. This is nothing but 195 by 3 over here. You are correct. Okay, so just add the value. Please pay attention over here. When you are adding the value corresponding to ABD in 2017, yes, you are going to get, this is nothing but 72. When you are taking B value, it is 50 over here, and you can take the D value, that is nothing but 2 lines are there, it is 64. Okay, so I think this is the mistake that I have made. It is going to be 195 by 3 over here. Yes, guys, you are perfectly correct. I hope everybody is getting it. Yes, I was taking the F value over here, and they are talking about C and E value. That is nothing but you have to take these 2 values over here. that was the mistake. So this is 70 and this second value is nothing but 82. So 70 plus 82 divided by 2 over here. You are correct. So this was the only mistake. Are you getting it now? So I think I was reading F value by mistake. So that was the only mistake. 152 by 2, you are getting the perfect value now. Everybody is getting this one. So you are getting 14,000 would be the perfect answer over here. Are you getting it? Yes. Yes. I just read the F value instead of E over here. I hope everybody is getting it. Okay. Can you try the next question now? Next question in front of you. Your timer has started now. Can you try this one? ACF in 2017 over here. So you have to read the data corresponding to A, C and F over here. Yes. Can you try this one? ACF 90, 70, 160, 160 plus 50, that is nothing but 210, 210 plus 6, 216 over here. Can you try, or what percent more than books sold by ADE over here? Let me see who will give the quick and correct answer. Ayush, perfect answer again. Harshita is also getting it. 84% is the perfect answer over here. Very good, guys. Very good. Everybody is getting this one. Yes, Deepen is also getting. Kusum, wonderful performance, guys. Simar, Divya, Sukhesh, very good. 84 is the perfect answer over here. What is the value for ACF? What is the value for ACF over here? So directly you can see again. So especially those who got confused how to read it, please pay attention. We are talking about blue value over here. You can see this value. This is nothing but 70. Okay, this is 50, one line below and this is one line above. So directly I am adding the value 70 plus 50, that is 120. 120 plus you have to take this value which is nothing but 90. So you are getting 210 as the value over here. Are you getting it? This is 210. And with what percentage of books sold by ADE in 2018? So let us take 2018 value A, D and E over here. How will you calculate this? This is nothing but 90. D value is one line below, that is you can take it as 80 for now. So 90 plus 80, 170. 170 plus this 80 over here. So what will you get from this? 170 plus 80, it is 250 over here. So definitely you have to calculate it what percentage of this value. Directly you are getting the answer over here. Everybody is getting this one. So 84% would be the value. Multiply this by 100. 25 4s are 21 4s are, you are getting 84% over here. Wonderful performance, guys. Now last question. Let me see who is the topper. This is the homework question for all of you. Let me see who will give the answer for it now. Okay, so we will move on to the next section. That is nothing but number series section over here. Yes, can you try the next question? Total books sold by all the 6 companies in 2018 are what percent more or less than 6 companies in 2017 over here? Now guys, for this question, I want all of you to learn very important technique, that is nothing but the reference diagram technique over here. Okay, so you can observe here, you can take, let me give you only one, one value. Okay, all of you please pay attention. I am going to give you wonderful technique how you can add all the values here. For example, if you want to add all the blue graph over here, you can take some middle value as the reference. I think 50 would be good reference value over here. Okay, how many bar are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write down 50 into 6. Now you can see how many line above this graph over here. Are you getting it? So you can see here it is 2 line above, 2.1 over here. Okay, likewise I want all of you to see what is the additional point over here. So here there are 11 lines. Here you can see it is -1 line. Here you can see that it is 7 lines. Are you getting? Here it is 3 lines above that. And you can take this value. These are nothing but 4. So 5 4s are 20 lines over here. Now you can calculate the effective value over here. So this is nothing but 11 minus 1, 10. 10 plus this 10, 20, 20 plus 20, 40. So you can add 80 value over here. Are you guys getting my point? So this way you can directly calculate what would be the total over here. So 380 would be the total for 2017 over here. You are perfectly correct. 20% is the perfect value over here. Everybody is getting this one? Everybody is getting this one? So I just wanted to tell you this technique when you are trying any average value or any complete value over here. Is it for orange? Yes. So this no, this is for blue over here. Whatever value I have written, that is for blue over here. I am just checking the offset value. Are you guys getting it? So this is very excellent technique, especially when you have to calculate the total over here. Now let us quickly conclude our session with the number series questions over here. 5 questions in last 5 minutes. Okay, can you try this one? So that question is actually homework question, guys. Those who got the answer, 20% is the perfect answer over here. Okay, can you try this question now? Okay, excellent trick. Thank you so much, Sharin, Udit. I hope all of you must have followed. Can you try the next question? Question based on missing number series over here. Let me see who is the first topper for this. Yes, how will you do this? D option. I got the first topper over here. He's saying D option. Are you sure? Very good. 250248 is the perfect answer over here, guys. E option is the perfect one. Kusum, Simar, Sukhesh, Akash. Very good, guys. What is the logic? You can observe here this is multiplied by 5 minus 5 over here. Similarly, this is into 4 minus 4. This is into 3 minus 3. So definitely this is into 6 minus 6 over here. Are you guys getting it? So you can calculate this is nothing but into 2 minus 2. 25048 would be the value over here. Everybody is getting this one? 25048 would be the perfect answer over here. Is everyone clear with this part? E option is the perfect one. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question is in front of you. Let me see who is the first topper this time. Really interesting question in front of you. Can you try this one? How will you do this? Next question, I got the first answer. Yes, wonderful performance. Who is this? Ayush again. Saumik, Ayush, Varalakshmi, 2.25 is the perfect answer. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer here? 2.25 is the perfect answer here, guys. How will you do this? It is nothing but into half plus 1. Similarly, this is also into half will be 2 plus 1. What about half of this? It is nothing but 1.5 plus 1. Similarly, you have to multiply this by half plus 1. That is nothing but 2.25 would be the perfect answer over here. Very good performance. Very good. Everybody is getting this one? 2.25 would be the perfect answer over here. Agastya, Piyush, Simar, Ashu. Very good, guys. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Can you try next question which is there on your screen? So we are on to third last question of today. Let me see who is the first topper over here. Yes, can you try this one? Just calculate the difference. You will understand what could be the possible logic over here. Yes, guys. How will you go about this? It is nothing but this is 8 over here. Very good. 261. I got the first answer over here. By whom? Who is this? Saumik got the first answer. 261 is the perfect answer over here. What is the logic? Can any one of you tell me? It is nothing but plus 2 cube over here. This is minus 9. That is minus 3 square. If you are checking this, it is 4 cube addition over here. This is nothing but minus 5 square. You are subtracting, so you have to add plus 6 cube over here. That will make it 261 as the value. Yes, alternate square and cube are added and subtracted over here. Wonderful performance by many of you. Ayush, Subodh, Agastya, Sukhesh, very good. Nagarjun, very good. Radha is also getting it. Second last question of today. Let me see who is the first topper now. Can you try the next question which is there in front of you? 16, then you have 31, 52, 79, 112 over here. Let me see who is getting the answer this time. Yes. So last question of today, guys. Can you tell me what is the possible logic over here? 151. I got the first answer over here by Saumik again. Nagarjun, Saumik, Kusum. A option. Very good. What is the logic? What is the logic over here? Second difference is 6 over here. Yes, you have to first calculate the difference between the values. That is nothing but 15. This is nothing but 21. Yes, you are perfectly correct. This is 27. So second difference is nothing but 666 value over here. So definitely this has to be 39. You can check out your answer. 151 would be the value over here. You are perfectly correct in this case. Double difference is the logic over here. Very good guys, very good. And this is the last question for all of you. It is homework question for all of you. I want all of you to solve this and mention your answer in the comment box over here. Those who are getting it right now, you can solve and mention your answer over here. So guys, that concludes my topic. Again, let me tell you very important point guys. The SBI PO Foundation batch, it is going to start from tomorrow. So I really do not want any one of you to miss any one lecture over there. So do check out the details guys. It will cover all your 4 sections: reasoning, English, GK and quant. All the 4 sections would be covered in this. It will have 175 plus live classes. You will also get LPS sessions over here. Along with that, we are also giving previous year paper discussion. Are you getting it? And you will be able to learn it from previous toppers as well. So it will cover your prelim as well as mains, both basics over here. I want all of you to check out. So 2199 would be the price if you are using Priyanka as the code over here. Okay, so do check out guys. If you want to join only quant batch, you do not want to join other sections, only quant batch. So toppers batch is also there for all of you. Do check out. 824 would be the price if you are using Priyanka as the code. So I really want all of you to check out, because tomorrow is the first lecture, which is free lecture from 11 to 12 over here in the morning. So do check out. And as all of you are aware, ECGC PO notification is also out guys. So it is perfect time that you start preparing in this ECGC PO. As you are aware, there are only 2 tests over here, 2 levels are there. So it is going to be bit higher level exam. I want all of you to start preparing right now, so that you will be able to score highest in the exam. Okay, so do check out guys. 1649 would be the price if you are using Priyanka as the code over here. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hope all of you must have enjoyed this session. Do not forget to subscribe and like to the channel. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care all of you. And see you guys tomorrow at the same time, 9 PM.